If you're looking for an AWAI copywriting course review and would like a sneak peek behind the scenes of their accelerated program for six-figure copywriting, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes of the AWAI copywriting course, the accelerated program for six-figure copywriting, and I'll break down just what's included in the course. Behind the scenes, you'll see the various modules and what to expect if you decide that the course is going to be right for you. So here we are on the main screen of the AWAI website. It's the American, in case you're wondering, AWAI stands for American Writers and Artists Institute. So let's log into the members area, because what I really want to do is give you an idea of what goes on behind the scenes. So let's just log in quickly and we can look at my AWAI. They call the members area my AWAI. So now we're logged into the back end and we look at the members area. Let me just run you through a couple of the things on here. Account info is simply where you can update your personal details, such as your login, your email, password, that kind of thing. The online programs here lists all the programs, ebooks and self-study programs that you're signed up for, memberships, etc. So for example, in mine here I've got accelerated copywriting, which we'll go into a little bit more detail about. Site audits made simple was something I looked at, the financial program, and there's a little video here, the AWAI method, which is kind of an introductory video. One thing I did want to point out, there are, apart from any courses you purchase, there are a lot of benefits that come with AWAI. So some of the members' benefits here are the AWAI community. You'll never be alone in AWAI. There's a whole community of writers just like yourself who are looking to learn, and you can interface with them at any point, ask any questions, etc. that you need to know. There's the community, calendar of events, there's jobs in here, direct response jobs, members catalogue. The article archive, there are hundreds of articles on here that you can use to learn and further your knowledge of writing and copywriting. And this is a good one, the AWAI 10K challenge, where you can build your portfolio and you can even earn some decent cash before you finish the program. See, AWAI is all about getting you up and running as a writer and earning cash as quickly as possible. So, there's the boot camp here, the job fair 20, all kinds of stuff in here that's going to help you as you progress through your career as a writer and copywriter. So let's go back to the online programs, because what I do want to show you is the accelerated copywriting program, which is the one I thoroughly recommend you get started here if you're just setting off, or even if you've done a little bit of writing. There's a lot of good information in here that's going to help you. So as you can see, the program comes in various parts. There's the welcome through to part 5 and AWA verified as well, which I'll tell you about just now. So the first thing is the welcome, which is your user guide and the 90-day success plan. You can work your way through this course as quickly as you want. You can work at your own pace, but within 90 days you're going to be in a great position to look for paid jobs and make good hourly rates and retainers. I mean, I have retainers where clients pay me $3,000 per month, and that comes in as a steady thing each and every month. So that's the welcome. Part 1 looks at getting started as a copywriter, discusses the opportunity and the lifestyle. Let's just take a quick look. I won't show you all the parts because obviously this is in the members area, but part 1, just to give you an idea of how these things look, let's just load that up quickly and have a look at it. And you'll see how this thing is actually put together. It comes in kind of a booklet form like this, which is downloadable. You can view it full screen, however you want to view it. And in this part 1, we're looking at getting started as a copywriter, the opportunity and the lifestyle. Now you'll see this goes through the whole thing here. What is a copywriter? Direct marketing, what you need, the 5 things you don't need to be a copywriter, and that's actually quite interesting. your earning potential, and all the rest of it. It's all in here in this format, as you'll see here. Now, bear in mind that AWAI have been in, let me just close this down. I don't want to show you all the material, obviously. AWI have been in business since 1997, and that's one of the reasons I recommend the course, because they've been in the game a long time and they certainly know their stuff. Part 2 of the course is the fundamentals of persuasive writing. This is essentially what copywriting is all about. The whole thing behind copywriting is persuading whoever you're writing for to take some form of action, and that's what people are prepared to pay, a substantial amount of money, and you can make a really good living doing this. In a lot of cases you can make more than you're making in your day job. Part 3, the structure of direct response sales copy. You get into sales copy here. One thing I would say about direct response sales copy, it's not as difficult as it sounds. There's a whole formula to this, and once you learn the formula, anyone can really do this kind of stuff. Part 4, choosing your path, where you want to take it. Let's have a quick look at that one too, just to give you a feel for it. Just like that, let it load up. My computer's running relatively slow. So choosing your path. So in this one here, it's like 140 pages, and talks about niche markets, business to business, writing for the web, all the kind of information you need to choose the direction you want to take your copywriting career in. And part 5, when you get to part 5, you're actually a copywriter. It's as simple as that. You work your way through this course and you do become a copywriter. That your clients will pay good money for the skills you've now got. What I do like about AWI is they don't just feed you the course material, they actually give you a guide to getting clients, which is absolutely invaluable, as well as all the other benefits of being inside the membership area. Now, the final part in the accelerated program is the AWI verification. Now, this is a great thing to have. This alone will open doors for you and your copywriting career. Bearing in mind this is all stuff you can do from home. I work from home, and I earn really good money doing this. And as you'll see on the badge here, since 1997, they've been in business. So again, as I was saying before, this is one of the reasons I recommend AWAI. They're very thorough. They even give you a verification. They help you find clients. By the time you finish this, you're in a great position to really make some excellent money. I don't want to overstate this, but a good copywriter can earn in excess of $100,000 a year. That's not unusual. Obviously, I don't want to build your hopes up and say you're going to earn that in the first couple of months. But as I say, in my position, I'm now at a stage where I'm charging $125 an hour, and my clients are paying up to $3,000 a month for 30 hours of my time as a package. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope that helps. So that's it, guys. That's my review of the AWAI course for six-figure copywriters, the accelerated course. Now, it might be that you feel that's right for you. It does come with my recommendation because they are very thorough, and as I've shown you in the video, all the topics you could need to get started or further your career as a copywriter are covered. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment if there's anything you want to ask or any points you'd like to make about the course, anything you're unclear of. And consider subscribing and hit the bell notification so I can be in touch with more information to help you further your copywriting career. The other thing is, guys, I'll leave a link in the description below with a link to the course so you can go and have a look for yourself and decide if it is indeed something that's going to be right for you. So that's it for now. Guys, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. There's plenty of more videos on my channel to help you if you're an aspiring copywriter, writer, or you're just thinking about getting into freelancing. So please have a look around, check out my other videos. Okay guys, that's it for now. Good to see you, and look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Ciao for now. Bye bye.